Bon appetit! Oh! Hey. This shit's actually good. It's not super fucking sweet. You taste the matcha at the end. It's like a little... But it's actually really fucking good. It's like not too sweet. Oh, that's fucking delicious. Okay. Yo, this is busting. That's fucking delicious. Wow. Wow. You know when you spent that money, but the food is hitting? Oh, yes. Ooh. We demolished it. Don't look at me. You're the fucking one who wanted this shit too. Hello? We gotta hide all of our evidence because my brother literally called me like 30 minutes ago. Listen, I did it now. He should have told me earlier. Hello, but he says we're literally gonna go to the grocery store to get some food to cook. So I gotta hide all the evidence. Okay.